Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering essentials. Yeeps 1, 2 or newer, a spawner item, bait, and a 2-block clear area. Once done, place the spawner on level ground and immediately load 1 stack of bait. This prevents early failures. Set the spawn rate to 50% to observe behavior without overload. Make sure to toggle the spawner from passive to active mode. This engages internal timers. You'll see first small waves within 30 to 60 seconds if placement and baiting are correct. Once spawning begins, tune the radius and population cap to balance yield and performance. You adjust radius to focus spawns near your collection zone and lower caps to avoid server strain. Use attractors to pull bugs toward traps and repellents to block unwanted paths. This controls flow. Make sure to monitor tick impact. If CPU usage climbs beyond 70%, progressively lower spawn rates. You'll iterate through small changes, testing for 2 to 5 minutes after each tweak until you get consistent, manageable output. You finish by locking successful settings and enabling autorefill to maintain uptime. Once locked, record metrics like bugs per hour, bait consumption, and server load, these numbers guide future adjustments. Schedule brief maintenance windows to clear debris and update bait. If spawns stop or a dead zone appears, first check for physical obstructions and confirm the chunk is loaded. Then verify bait levels and spawn mode. One key troubleshooting tip: reload the chunk and cycle the spawner power. This resolves most stuck spawn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.